Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a volume indicator on TradingView. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful tool which you can use to keep track of any stocks, indices, Forex, and a lot of other options. You can track their values and their current market trajectory. You can make trades yourself if you're connected to a broker, and so on and so forth. And another very useful thing which you can use to enhance your experience, or rather which you can use to help you with any planning or forecasting, is you can add indicators. One of these indicators is the volume indicator, which I will show you how to add right now. As you can see, I'm logged in currently to my account on TradingView. This is a free account, so some of the options I have are limited. However, this will work just fine. You can add a maximum of 3 indicators to any chart while you're on a free account. For more indicators, you will need a premium account, or you will need to pay a monthly subscription. Now, to actually add an indicator, or in this case the volume indicator, what you want to do is navigate to the indicators button, which is right at the top here. As you see, it says indicators, metrics, and strategies. Once you're here, just click on it and you can browse through either your scripts which you've created. You can go through technicals, in which you have indicators, strategies, profiles, and patterns. You can go to financials or to community scripts, which you can use freely. And under technicals, what you want to do is just in the top search bar, just type volume. And as you see, volume just pops up here. Just click on it and that indicator will be added, as you can see here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.